It's a cold one.
Hello from Tampa Bay, Florida.
It's 50 degrees.
No, it's 48.
No, it's 48.
If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yeah, we want to thank you all so much for staying warm and checking us out.
Yes, today we're going to check out the boat parade and see what else they have going on over here.
If you are new, don't forget to check us out every Wednesday and Sunday. And to do that, you have to subscribe.
And please don't forget to comment and like this video.
Amber, are you ready to go to the river walk and freeze and watch the boats?
While being close to the water?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. So what's really cool is that they have this little village and they have like all these different stores. That's really neat. Oh, your hat! Your hat! Oh my goodness, Amber. It's cold.
It is super cold. What is it? It's 47.
47.
And we are freezing, so you can tell we're true Floridians.
So, for you northerners, down here we get this humid cold. It doesn't sound real, but trust me, it is. It's like a wet, miserable cold. I tell you. But it was actually pretty fun seeing
yeah,
these
it was
boats.
fun. This might be one of our new family traditions.
Yeah. Supposedly there's one out in Cocoa Beach too.
That'd be fun.
Yeah. I think it was a lot of fun. During the political season, they actually had a couple political rallies type boat things too. So we didn't attend those obviously, but they also have what do you call it? They have a pirate kind of like Mardi Gras, but it's like a party.
Oh yeah. It's super huge. We'll have to look into that.
Yeah. If you made this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for checking us out. We hope that you had a very Merry Christmas.
And Feliz Navidad.
Yes.
Happy holidays. Bon Natale.
All of that fun stuff. We hope that your new year, 2025, is as prosperous as it can be.
And fulfilled with every happiness there is to imagine.
Yes. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.